Hello, I'm Justin, and this is VyBit. It's a visual editing tool that sits on top of your running app. You select elements, describe changes, and VyBit sends precise instructions to an AI coding agent to implement them in your source code. I'm going to walk through the interactive tutorial so you can see how each feature works. If you want to try it yourself, there's a link in the description. It's just a website, and there's nothing to install. See this button in the bottom right? Click it to open the inspector panel. At the top, you've got three modes: select, insert, and bug report. We'll use all three. Let's start with select mode. I'll click this issue card. It highlights with a teal border. Over in the panel, I can type a change, like make the bug tag flash red, hit Q message, open the draft at the bottom, and click commit. Now, normally, VyBit would be connected to an AI agent, Copilot, Cursor, Claude, and that agent would pick this up and make the change in your actual code. Since this is just the tutorial, no agent is connected. But if you open the dev console, you can see the exact context that the agent would receive. You can also speak your changes. I'll select this assign button, hit the mic button, and just say it. When assigning, show a spinner in the assign button and disable the button. And then cue it up, that's it. For quick text edits, select an element and click the text button in the floating toolbar. The text becomes editable right on the page. Change it. Click the Q button and you're done. Now let's try insert mode. Hover over a form and you'll see insertion indicators between elements. Click where you want something new, describe it, like add a phone number field, and queue it up. Don't want to type? You can draw instead. Set an insertion point, open the sketch canvas, and you can draw something like a bar chart for the monthly signups. And add it to your drafts. VyBit can also browse your component library. Select an insertion point, find a component like badge, click place, and it will drop into your page. Some components have slots for other components, like this button. It has icon slots. Open the Customize drawer, and I'll set a variant, but then I can pick an icon for the slot and place the composed button. For precise styling, select an element and use the Design tab. You can scrub padding values, adjust shadows, change border radius, and here I'll change the background color. All will preview live as you go. Last one, bug report mode. If something's broken, switch to bug report. VyBit captures console errors, failed network calls, and a visual timeline automatically. I can select the broken element, describe the issue, and submit, and the agent gets all that context. So that's VyBit. In a real app, every commit triggers the MCP tool, and your AI agent picks it up and writes the code. Go try the tutorial yourself, link is in the description. And as always, keep innovating.